Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 22 September and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. To skip the video, you may miss the details of the current affairs and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. Promised Land is a presidential member by which among the following leaders? A option Donald Trump, B option Vladimir Putin, C option Manmohan Singh, D option Barack Obama. And the right answer is D option Barack Obama. Barack Obama was the former US president who has announced his first presidential member title, A Promised Land. Second question. The iLead 2.0 inspiring lead system version 2.0 has been launched by which bank? A option Punjab National Bank, B option Canara Bank, C option State Bank of India, D option Union Bank of India. And the right answer is B option. Canara Bank has launched iLead 2.0. Canara Bank has launched a lead management system LMS named iLead 2.0 inspiring lead system version 2.0. Let's know more about Canara Bank. It was formed on 1969 and the headquarters of the Canara Bank is in Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and the chairman of the bank is T.N. Manoharan and the managing director and chief executive officer is Linga Venkat Prabhakar. Third question. Which country joined G20 Code of Conduct? A option China, B option Iran, C option India, D option USA. The right answer is C option. India has joined G20 Code of Conduct. India has joined the G20 Code of Conduct JETA amendment as observer following the higher level meeting of the G20 Code of Conduct JETA amendment, which was held virtually on August 26 to boost the Indian Ocean region outreach. Fourth question. How many beaches of India has been selected for the International Eco-Level Blue Flag certification? A option 6, B option 11, C option 8, D option 10. And right answer is C option 8 beaches of the India has been selected for the International Eco-Level Blue Flag certification. In a first of its kind initiative, 8 beaches of India has been recommended for the Blue Flag certification. Next question. India has launched its own eco-label named as Dash. A option Scratch, B option Eco, C option Beams, D option B-Socks. And right answer is C option Beams. Union Minister Javadekar announced the launch of India's own eco-label beach environment and aesthetic management system BEAS, and the project will be implemented by the Society of the Integrated Coastal Management under MOAFCC. Next question. Which of the following Indian cricketer will set up cricket school in Jammu and Kashmir? A option Virat Kohli, B option Saurav Ganguly, C option Virendra Sehwag, and D option Suresh Raina. Right answer is D option Suresh Raina will the Indian cricketer will set up cricket school in Jammu and Kashmir. Suresh Raina, the international cricketer, called on Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha in Srinagar. Next question. Which of the following bank has launched a special gold loan scheme? Vikas Lakhu Subbanna. A option Bandhan Bank, B option Canada Bank, C option Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank, C option South India Bank. The right answer is C option Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank. Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank has launched a special gold loan scheme. Karnataka Vikas Gramina Bank has launched a special gold loan scheme Vikas Lakhu Subbanna with a reduced interest rate of 7.25% and the headquarters of the bank is in Dharwad, Karnataka, India, and the chairman of the bank is Butakanti Kopi Krishna. Next question, which IIT has developed Sasnar, a first of its kind helmet-like ventilation device to ease breathing? A option IIT Bhubaneswar, B option IIT Madras, C option IIT Kolkata, D option IIT Bombay. Right answer is A option IIT Bhubaneswar. The students of IIT Bhubaneswar has developed Sasnar, a first of its kind helmet-like ventilation device to help patients breathe more conveniently. The designed hyperbaric chamber is a low-cost device to help COVID-19 patients. Let us know more about International Institute of Information Technology Bhubaneswar. The director of International Institute of Information Technology Bhubaneswar is Dr. Gopal Krishna Nayak, and the headquarters of the IIT Bhubaneswar is in Malipata, Bhubaneswar, and the information about Odisha is the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, and the governor of Odisha is Ganesh Lal, and the chief minister is Navin Patnaik. Next question, which state launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana scheme to provide interest-free loans to women's group? A option Maharashtra, B option Gujarat, C option Madhya Pradesh, D option Goa. The right answer is B option Gujarat. Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana, a scheme of providing interest-free loans of ₹1 lakh to women's group. Let us know more about Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar, and the governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devrat, and the chief minister of Gujarat is Vijay Rupani. Next question, who is president of first ever All India Council Technical Education Visvesvaraya Best Teacher Award 2020? A option Nirmala Sitaram, B option Nitin Gadkari, C option Harshvardhan, D option Ramesh Pokhriyal. Right answer is D option Ramesh Pokhriyal has president of first ever AICTE Visvesvaraya Best Teacher Award 2020. On the occasion of National Engineers Day, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, the Union Minister of Education, presented the first ever AICTE Visvesvaraya Best Teacher Award 2020 to the 12 faculty members of the All India Council for Technical Education approved institution over a virtual ceremony. Next question, on which day International Day of Peace is observed? A option 7 September, B option 18 September, C option 19 September, D option 21 September. And the right answer is 21, D option 21 September. September is the International Day of Peace, and it was first observed in 1981, and the theme 2020 is to shaping peace together. And if we relate to other option, 17 September is the day of World Patient Safety Day, and 18 September is the day of World Bamboo Day and World Water Monitoring Day, and the first International Equal Pay Day, and 19 September is the International Coastal Cleanup Day, and 21st day is International Day of Peace and World Alzheimer's Disease. Alzheimer's disease is the loss of memory, and on this day World Alzheimer's Disease is observed, and the theme of World Alzheimer's Disease is Let's Talk About Dementia, and it was first observed on 2012. Then next question, which bank ranked first in India's most valuable brand rankings 2020? A option HDFC Bank, B option LIC Bank, C option TCS Bank, D option Airtel Bank. The right answer is A option HDFC Bank has ranked first in India's most valuable brand ranking 2020. and the second rank is LIC Bank, and the third rank is TCS Bank, and the fourth rank is Airtel Bank in India's most valuable bank rankings 2020. Let us know more about FDSC Bank. It was founded on 1994 and the headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and the chief executive officer of HDFC Bank is Aditya Puri. The India's most valuable brand rankings was released by brands. These are the top most 12 current affairs which I have listed and sorted for your upcoming exam, and the video will helpful for your exam. If you like my video, my current affairs, then don't forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends. Thanks for watching.